Hi, welcome to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. This episode tonight, or this evening, is going to be about Will. I just want to say thank you and how humble I feel that I will continue to bring content to you guys because of him. That camera that I'm wearing today was gifted to me by Will. I told you in a few episodes that I want to bring different angles, and thanks to Will, I'll be able to do that. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you, Will, and just know that this episode is dedicated to you. So stay tuned. See you soon. First snapper for you. There you go, Will. First one. Oh. That was a better one. Oh, Lord have mercy. I just want to say thank you again. I lost 3 snook today. It was awesome bite.